Hello, I'm Claire Carlile and I'm a local search expert at BrightLocal. Welcome to this new and updated course. And this course will suit small businesses looking to optimize their own Google business profiles, but it's also going to suit marketers and SEOs that are new to local SEO and that need to know the basics of GBP in order to serve their local business clients. In the following 6 lessons, I'll walk you through how to claim and optimize a Google business profile, how to manage various aspects of GBP, and how to handle the ongoing maintenance of your business profile. Hopefully, you'll find this course super accessible and helpful, and you'll walk away feeling much more comfortable with managing a Google business profile. You'll definitely get a lot more out of this course if you have management access to a Google business profile. But by the end of this course, you'll have a good level of understanding and tactical knowledge, even if you don't have access. If you do have management access to a Google business profile, I'd strongly recommend you to be signed into that listing while we run through the course, and we'll pause for you to make some changes as we go through the lessons. So, buckle up, grab your favourite beverage, and let's dive into Lesson 1, setting up and verifying a Google business profile.